guys, this is Tony with BridgeviewAdventures. Well, today we're going to work on this gate. We're wanting to put an entrance gate here at the farm, both for security purposes and just keep honest man honest, and with everything going on in the world, and above and beyond the fact that we think they look really good. So we got working on this last weekend. We got some B-roll footage of that. We didn't get in at the very beginning. We just got to working. We didn't think about setting up the cameras. So it's the next weekend. We had problems digging the holes right where the main posts are, because the main posts need to be about 3 feet deep. And at about 1.5 feet, we hit solid rock. And I mean solid rock. Not chunks of rock, solid rock. So a couple little issues on that. We also put the gate on, and when the gate swings, this is a high side up here on this side. Hinge is down here, gate swings up here, and it is dragging in the center of the road. We got a way around it. It's 1.5 inches. I hit it with the laser. It's 1.5 inches high. The road is. We can take the gravel down a little bit, but when we set the second post, we're going to set the second post up a little bit. We're going to put extra concrete in it to give it a bigger, heavier base, and we're also going to ram some rebar down into the ground at cross angles. Then we pour the concrete on it, and that'll also help hold it to keep it from trying to tilt the gate. It is a 16-foot gate, one piece, so that's a long ways for that to be cantilevered. So that post on this end has really got to be a good, hard and rigid hinge point. So that's what's going on today, and we think it's really going to look good. So we'll set the camera up, put it on some B-roll footage. We'll take some time lapse for you. Enjoy the music. On the automatic gate opener. It's the automatic gate opener. So we're wiring up the solar panel to the control box. The control box is on top. Then on the bottom is battery box. Which both of these have locks. We need a pair of padlocks. It's the same.
So the solar panel charges the batteries that runs the gate opener mechanism. Yep. Okay. All right. Well, looks pretty good.
She's getting there.
What's left to do? Add that on.
Mount
the main mechanism.
The main drilling, yada.
Oh, okay.
I went ahead and I came out early and cut the post off.
Oh, looks nice. So we already had one issue with the gate. We had a delivery try to come today. They wouldn't deliver because the gate was closed and they didn't have a way to contact us. So we're gonna disable the control panel for now, leave the gate open until we can get a keypad installed and then get a delivery box at the entrance of the gate. Something to think about. Okay, so it's been a couple of months after we have installed the gate. Everything's working awesome. We got our delivery box installed for all the packages that might be delivered here, whether it's Amazon, UPS, FedEx, or the United States Postal Service.